Hello viewers, today we are going to start the new chapter Mineral and Energy Resources Part 2, chapter number 9 from our syllabus. In this chapter we are going to discuss about the conventional source of energy, non-conventional source of energy. Okay. So here you can see the classifications of energy sources. Energy sources can be divided into two broad categories: conventional energy sources and non-conventional energy sources. Conventional energy sources are coal, petroleum, etc. and non-conventional energy sources are solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy, etc. So, what are the differences between the conventional sources of energy and non-conventional sources of energy? Conventional sources of energy are non-renewable and non-conventional sources of energy are renewable. Here you can see the differences, the basic differences between the conventional and non-conventional energy. Conventional source of energy cause different types of pollution, and non-conventional source of energy cause very less pollution or do not create any pollution. And for conventional sources of energy, the initial setup cost is very low. On the other hand, for non-conventional source of energy, initial setup cost is moderate. Okay, so these are the basic differences. Here you can see the non-renewable energy sources like coal, fossil fuels, etc., natural gas, and the renewable sources of energy, solar energy, wind energy, geothermal energy, etc. Now we are going to discuss about coal. Coal is a conventional source of energy, and coal is the main source of power generation in India. Most of the industries like the iron and steel industry and the variety of chemical industries depend upon the availability of coal. Classifications of coal: anthracite, bituminous, lignite and peat coal. Anthracite, it is the best quality of coal and contains more than 80% carbon. It is hard, compact and black in color. It is found only in Jammu Kashmir in very small quantity. Next one is the bituminous coal. It is the most widely used variety of coal and contain about 60 to 80% carbon. It is mainly used for heating, production of coke, etc. It is mostly found where? In Jharkhand, Odisha, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh. Next classification is lignite coal. It is also known as brown coal. It is found in Palna of Rajasthan, Niveli in Tamil Nadu, Lakhimpur from Assam. Last one is the peat coal. It contains about 50 to 60% carbon and it emits more smoke and leaves lot of ash after burning. Okay. Major coal mines from India. Here you can see, look at the map. Distribution of coal. From Jharkhand. Jharkhand has the largest reserves of coal. The main coal fields are Jharia, Bokaro. Here you can see. From Chhattisgarh, the main coal field is Korba. From Odisha, the main coal fields are Talcher, Sambalpur. From West Bengal, Raniganj is the main coal field. Okay. Now, what are the advantages of coal energy and disadvantages? Advantages. At first we are going to discuss about the advantages. It is a primary energy source and coal supplies around 30% of the primary energy needs all over the world, generating 40% of electricity. It is affordable and price is stable. It is very easy to burn. And coal is a versatile mineral because coal is mainly used for generating electricity, and its byproducts, coal tar, is used to produce the phenol, naphthalene and other chemicals also. It reduces dependence on oil. So these are the advantages of coal energy. What are the disadvantages of coal energy? Emissions of CO2, which increasing greenhouse gases and leads to global warming. The pollution it causes also may lead to acid rain in some areas. So these are the disadvantages of coal energy, and the main problem is it is a non-renewable source of energy. Next, petroleum or mineral oil. It is also known, petroleum also known as mineral oil, which is composed of hydrocarbon, which constitute 90 to 95% of petroleum. What are the uses of petroleum? It is the main source of many products like the petrol, kerosene, diesel oil, etc. It is used for making paints, medicine, plastic and fertilizers also. And it is the most important raw material for chemical industry. Distribution of petroleum. See, look at the map. Here you can see. Onshore oil field in northeastern part of India. Here you can see. In Assam, there are Digboy, the oldest oil field, and Naharkatia, Rudrasagar from Assam. Onshore oil field in western India. See. In Gujarat, important oil field is Ankleshwar, the most important. The major oil refineries from India. Look at the map. Barauni from Bihar, Koyali from Gujarat, Haldia from West Bengal, Mathura from Uttar Pradesh, Digboy from Assam, Mumbai from Maharashtra, Visakhapatnam from Andhra Pradesh. These are the major oil refineries from India. Reliance Jamnagar oil refinery from India. Here you can see, look at the map. Jamnagar refinery is the world's largest private sector crude oil refinery. The refinery complex is located at Jamnagar in Gujarat from India. It is operated by the Reliance Industries. Now we are going to discuss about the advantages of petroleum and disadvantages of petroleum. Advantages: it can be extracted easily. It can be extracted at low cost. These are the advantages. Disadvantages: extracting and burning oil generates greenhouse gases that contribute to environmental pollution and global warming. It is a non-renewable form of energy, and the depletion of fossil fuel leads to limited supply of petroleum. These are the disadvantages. Next one is the natural gas. Natural gas is a gas consisting primarily of methane. Distribution of natural gas: 65% gas comes from Mumbai High, and rest of the 35% is produced from Assam, Tamil Nadu, Tripura. Advantages: it is considered to be environment friendly due to its low emission after burning. This gas is used as cooking gas at home. And disadvantages: it cannot be used at large scale. Natural gas is highly volatile, so can be dangerous if if it transported carelessly. So these are the advantages and disadvantages. Okay, so rest of the part we'll discuss in our next class.